Hi everybody, BeanMeister22 here. Today we're going to look at my BISSELL Pet Stain Eraser. It's a portable carpet cleaner. It's a handheld pet stain, carpet shampooer, really. This is model 20037 and this is the 2019 version. It can still be bought. I'm guessing there's an updated version. This is currently selling on Amazon for $97.84. This is a pretty good and pretty powerful little unit, and let me tell you what I like about it, and then I'll tell you what I dislike about it. I like that it's rechargeable. There's no cord. You just get it, unplug it from the wall, use it. That's great. Very convenient. Remember, if things are convenient and easy to use, you'll use them more. I like that the soap, the cleaner solution you put in it, it's a no-mix solution. It comes in a 32-ounce bottle. They currently sell on Amazon for $8.99. And what's great about it is you don't have to mix something. It just comes ready to use. Yes, that does mean you're paying for water too, but I'd rather pay for that water than have to mix it up myself. If you've seen my Hoover Power Dash pet carpet shampooer, that has a concentrated soap, so you got to fill it up so high with water, and then you got to put, the concentrated soap in there, and you put just a tiny bit compared to the amount of water. Yes, that's a bigger carpet cleaner, but still, I like the fact that I don't have to mix anything here. And this is one of those BISSELL products that help support the BISSELL Pet Foundation. I'll put a link in the description of the video. Go check it out. You can make a donation, or you can just purchase one of their products, and a percentage, probably not a very big one, but a percentage of that purchase price will go to help pets and shelters. Another thing I really like, it's got pretty good suction power on this. And like I said, it's easy to use. Now let me tell you about what I don't like. All right, here's the big one. The brush on the bottom of this cleaner, it doesn't spin or anything. It's a static, a fixed brush, and you just gotta brush it yourself. That kind of sucks. I like one that I just, set it down and it goes and does the work for me. I guess the benefit of that is, less moving parts, so it takes less electricity, so your battery will last longer, because really it's just running the vacuum. You're not running power brushes or something, but I do wish it had a power brush. But other than that, this is a neat little unit. And one other little thing about this, if you've seen my Hoover Power Dash pet carpet cleaner, where I talk about I don't pre-treat the stains, but I kind of do. What I do is I use this BISSELL, and I go over to the stain, and I shoot the liquid out of this BISSELL, the soap. So my pre-treating for my Hoover is this handheld BISSELL. I don't scrub it or anything, but, I just use the soap solution and, squirt it out there. And that's the pre-treat. I do that, 3 to 5 minutes prior to actually using the Hoover Power Dash and cleaning the carpet. I know, I am way too lazy. Yeah, I get it. All right, so do you have little minor carpet cleaning things you need cleaned? Stains, footprints, pets. Because even though this says it's for pets, if you get mud or something from your shoes on the carpet, or if you spill chocolate pudding, then this is a neat little shampooer that's easy to use and, around $100 is pretty affordable. Just remember, it doesn't have a power brush. You're going to have to use elbow grease and scrub it yourself. And remember, no mixing with the formula. It comes pre-mixed. So with that said, it's got good things and bad things about it, but I do recommend it. I do like it. I have been happy with it, and I've had it for quite some time now. So if you have any questions, you can ask me the questions, or if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. Hey, as always, thanks for watching.
BeanMeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.